Los pollitos dicen pío, 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 cuando tienen hambre, cuando tienen frío. Pío, 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 pío. This is me again, el Tico, all the way from Costa Rica, pura vida. I am making a video here for a subscriber that she wants to know how to pull out a baby from a clump of giant barrel paradise to be planted in the neighbor place, or to be planted someplace on the ground. And I'm going to show you in here. I'm going to select one of these babies. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove some of these babies in here that we don't need. We might can use the one in here, but let me see how the one come out. I'm going to separate this baby from this trunk, because that is a baby. The cam is underneath, is connected to this trunk in here. So what I be careful in there. I'm going to start cutting this like that. Beautiful baby. So day one, you cut the root in here, then prepare the soil, remove all this material in here so you don't carry insects to the new site. This should be put in a 2% chlorine water or vinegar to remove some of the diseases in here. So with this in here, I'm going to cut this in here. Then with my clippers, I remove the material, so because I don't want to carry insects to the new site. Then put this in 2% solution of chlorine to kill some of the bacteria, so fungus, and then plant it in the right location with a nice soil, plenty of water, and this baby is going to grow beautiful. Look at that beautiful baby. Yeah. Look at that. He's asking for the lady to take it. He said, take me home. Take me home. I want to be in a nice place. Beautiful. So I am hoping that I can help you pulling out a baby from a clump or giant barrel paradise. Hasta la vista, mi amiga. Pura vida. Remember, subscribe for me, and put in there a finger that you like me. Pura vida. Hasta la vista, el Tico, desde Costa Rica.